Hi guys, recently I bought the Nintendo Switch Lite gray version and it carrying case so I can have it with me whenever I go, and I think that they are really nice. When it originally came out, I didn't buy it for myself because I didn't know if I was gonna use it a lot, but now that it came out and I have it well tested a bit, I have it like 2 or 3 months testing it out, and I think that it's a really nice gaming console. I actually dropped it and it cracked the glass a bit, but it doesn't affect any functionality, and it's really nice size that you can get with you anywhere that you want and travel, which I think that it's really nice. I have tested it with 3 different games, and overall I have a pleasant experience while going outside and being able to play those games with me. I think that it's really nice. It charges with a USB Type C charging cable, and I think that it's nice because it's a really regular cable that you get. The case, I like it because it's hard covered. You have a mesh pocket and a 2 slots, so you can have a different games with you, and you get these straps so it doesn't fall off or anything, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, I have been testing it out with 3 different games, and overall, I have a pleasant experience having it with me. And overall, I think that it's a nice portable game console that if you want to be testing out some games outside, it's great. You can also connect any kind of microphone or earbuds with a 3mm jack audio port, or connect them with Bluetooth, which I think that it's really nice. I have used them with my AirPods, and the audio here and the audio is perfect. And overall, I would really recommend it. It's a nice console that if you want, you can have it with you anywhere that you go. So I will really recommend it. See you guys.